Is your VW infotainment screen blank? Here's how to troubleshoot. First, understand that the system relies on a stable 12-volt power supply. A weak battery below 11.5 volts or a blown fuse are common culprits. Check the fuses labeled infotainment or radio in your fuse box. Location varies by model. Check your manual. Use a multimeter to test your battery. It should read above 12.4 volts when at rest. Low voltage often prevents the system from booting. Remember to disconnect the battery before checking fuses to avoid electrical shorts. If power isn't the issue, try a head unit reset. For a soft reset, hold the infotainment system's power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary glitches without data loss. If that doesn't work, a hard reset might be necessary, but this usually requires diagnostic tools. VW also offers a self-diagnostic tool via the VW Connect app. Electrified models like the ID series are generally more stable due to integrated battery monitoring. Keep in mind that software updates, especially over-the-air updates through VW Connect, can sometimes cause issues. If problems persist, consult your VW owner's manual or contact a certified VW technician. By 2025, VW is investing in AI-driven diagnostics, so call assistance from VW support.